What if I told you that you don't have to live with missing or failing teeth? And better yet, no uncomfortable and unmanageable dentures. At Primary Dental, we've been able to change lives with the art of dental implants to transform countless smiles and restore precious confidence. The All-in-X Teeth in a Day procedure is a revolutionary solution that can replace all of your missing teeth in one day. By strategically placing 4 or more dental implants into your jawbone, we can anchor a complete set of teeth, providing you with a stable, fixed solution. Not to mention, this procedure helps prevent bone loss, which unfortunately is a common issue with traditional dentures. What do I even mean when I say teeth in a day? Well, here's what to expect. The whole process begins with a consultation where we'll assess your oral health, discuss your treatment goals, and finally create a personalized treatment plan that's tailored to your specific needs. When you're ready, the surgery itself is performed under sedation, ensuring your comfort. Once the high-grade dental implants are placed, you'll receive a beautiful temporary set of teeth to wear while you heal. After what is called an osseointegration healing period for 4 to 6 months, we'll take impressions of your final set of teeth. These are then crafted with precision to match your natural bite and aesthetic preferences. This final prosthesis is then fitted, adjusted for optimal comfort and function. We understand that this is a tremendous investment into your oral health, and that's why our team is committed to guiding you through every step of the process, from your initial consultation to the final reveal of your new smile. And along the way, we will address any questions or concerns you may have to ensure you feel confident and supported. It's truly rewarding to see patients who have suffered for years with tooth loss be able to leave our office with renewed hope and a smile that they can actually be proud of. We're grateful to have the ability to perform this procedure at the highest level and committed to helping you achieve a smile that you've always dreamed of. A smile shares hope, affection, and even peace. A smile has the power to bring light into darkness, to bring positive energy into the day. Get ready to begin living again and get started with Primary Dental today. We look forward to seeing you soon.